One skill that all champions and masters have is to understand the difference between information and personal attacks. So when somebody gives you some kind of criticism or critique on your performance or on who you are, how you speak, are they trying to help you or not? Now, of course, we want to be perfect, and in our minds, we want to, of course, kill everything the first time we try it, but that's not the way progress happens. You're going to start at a basic level. Maybe you have some talent, so you level up pretty quickly. But the point is that you're probably going to have to take in information in order to become very good at something. Okay? So all champions have to be able to take information from outside and process that. And the least resistance you can give it, the faster it'll go. So if you want to achieve quickly in your life, be a master of taking in information. And don't get all freaked out and heartbroken about people giving you information. But do not put up with people who are just tearing you down. You deserve better.